I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by deciding on 1 to 3 product ideas. This guides every trend query. Open Google Trends and enter seed keywords. You need variants and modifiers. Once done, set the country, a 12-month time frame, and the shopping category, or leave it all categories for broader insight. Make sure to compare keywords with the plus compare box so you see relative interest. This step primes you to spot seasonal spikes and baseline demand, which matters for Amazon, FBA sourcing, and forecasting. Now you analyze the middle of the process. Interpret patterns. Compare 3 keywords and look for consistent search interest versus one-off spikes. Consistency means scalable demand. Once you see peaks, click related queries and switch between top and rising to find product adjacencies or new features customers want. Also, view regional interest to choose which states or areas to push inventory to, because demand density affects shipping cost and buy box competitiveness. Keep notes of candidate keywords for Amazon listing testing. Finish by converting insights into actions. Pick the top keyword, craft 3 listing experiments, title, bullets, backend keywords, and plan inventory using seasonal % increases and supplier lead times. Once listings run, monitor conversions and adjust bids and PPC around trend peaks. If you get low or no data, broaden the time frame to 36 months, use synonyms or category keywords, and run country-level comparisons to validate demand. That troubleshooting step prevents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.